Introducing Pet Perfect Underlayment, the ultimate flooring solution designed for ease and protection. Its folding panels with a new lip and tape feature ensure effortless installation, laying flat and staying flat. Crafted from fine-celled extruded polystyrene foam, it offers superior thermal and sound insulation while correcting minor subfloor imperfections. Pet Perfect Advanced Moisture Barrier guards against pet accidents, damage, and mold growth, ensuring that it's safe for people, pets, and the planet. Ideal for basements, its thermal insulation enhances warmth, while shock-absorbing technology supports floor locking systems, increasing comfort and longevity. With quick installation and radiant heat approval, Pet Perfect Underlayment redefines your space with innovative and peace of mind. Choose Pet Perfect Underlayment for your flooring that's as pet-friendly as it is practical.